Hello retro community and welcome back to my channel with a minor problem. Here you see my PAL2, my KIM-1 replica, fully equipped with 64 kilobytes of RAM and everything, and a USB port connected to the application connector, right and perfect to be plugged into the PC. And here you see my Brother EP44 typewriter with a serial port. But it's just a serial port. How do I connect these things? They physically do not fit. Good question. I could equip the PAL2 with another serial port, so I have to organize the power supply also, and the power supply for any translation. So this is not an option right now. I came up with another idea. Let's take a look. The solution is fairly simple. It's called SOCAT. It's the universal Swiss knife in Linux that combines every port you could imagine, like serial port with a TCP port or whatever you imagine. So I simply start SOCAT on this computer with the right command, and it glues together this USB port and this serial port. Let's take a look. Next one, this one. Here we go. This is the command. You see USB device 1, USB device 2, 0 echo, raw, 300 baud. This is what my typewriter does understand. So fire and turn it on. Let's go online, reset the KIM, and here we go. Ta-da! SOCAT is available on nearly every Unix, Linux, or BSD system you can imagine. So just install it, use the right parameters, and combine whatever you want in Linux. And in my case, these two old things that work perfectly together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumb up and follow my channel. Thank you!